In this video, we'll look at two more ways to make salts. This is paper 2 content for IGCSE Chemistry. By the end, you'll be able to do three things. First, make a soluble salt by titration. Second, make an insoluble salt by precipitation. And third, choose the right method for a given salt. The insoluble base method only works when the base is insoluble. But what if you want a salt like sodium chloride, where both reactants, an acid and an alkali, are soluble? Now you can't add excess and filter because there's no solid to filter off. Instead, you titrate. You find the exact volume of acid that neutralises a set volume of the alkali, using an indicator. Then you repeat with those exact volumes, but no indicator, so the salt isn't contaminated, and crystallise the pure solution. The third method is for insoluble salts, and it's the simplest of all, precipitation. You take two soluble solutions, each containing one of the ions you need, and simply mix them. The ions combine, and the insoluble salt drops out as a solid precipitate. Then you filter it off, wash it with distilled water to remove any soluble impurities, and leave it to dry. For example, to make insoluble silver chloride, you mix silver nitrate solution with sodium chloride solution, and a white precipitate of silver chloride appears instantly. So to choose your method, if it's a soluble salt of sodium or potassium, use a titration. If it's a soluble salt, you can make from an insoluble base, add the base in excess, and filter. And if the salt itself is insoluble, make it by precipitation. Match the method to the salt, and you can prepare almost any one you like. Let's check what you've learned. Question 1. Why can't you use excess and filter to make sodium chloride? Question 2. How do you make an insoluble salt? Question 3. After precipitation, why do you wash the solid? Pause the video and have a go. 3, 2, 1. Here are the answers. 1. Both reactants are soluble, so there is no excess solid to filter off. 2. By precipitation, mixing two soluble solutions so the insoluble salt forms. 3. To remove soluble impurities from the surface. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more IGCSE science revision. My revision workbook is available from the link in the comments.